Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Have you ever wondered how many video views you would have to have on your YouTube channel to earn $1,000? Stay tuned and let's find out. YouTubers in particular have a advantage of monetizing the content that they're getting out there to you guys in the real world. So let's take this channel for example. I've been at this for about a year. The content that I put out are geared towards people with a specific goal in mind. I'm not here to really entertain you as much as I am here to educate you. That said, in order to earn any kind of passive income off of this channel, I have to have some things going for me. I have to have much more greater appeal to an audience. I have to identify that audience, make sure that this is something that is going to be something that someone would want to consume. And where you fall victim to if you're looking to make it big in the social media content creation arena is that this is all driven by your subscribers and your watched hours. And so let's talk about how that money is made. For instance, the calculus for to try to make $1,000, for instance, on a YouTube channel, you have to first meet YouTube's criteria. That is 4,000 watched hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, I've been at this a year, and the content I put out doesn't really attract the kind of people that are going to sit back and watch every second of these video contents. But anyway, with my 250 subscribers at this point, I'm 750 subscribers away from even meeting that first criteria. I have 85 videos out there, but I'm only around 2,000 or so watched hours because I keep my videos kind of short. I'm not here to, entertain as much as I am to educate, so I'm cool with that because that wasn't the purpose. But in order for me to make any money at all, you have to first meet those two criteria: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. Now, after that, the calculus becomes a little bit easier. On average, Google, which owns YouTube, purchased it back in 2006, lock, stock, and barrel. Google will pay you $55, or excuse me, 55% of what they generate in ad revenue. Rough calculus, it's about $18 for every 1,000 views of your video content. $18 for every 1,000 views. So, by that math, if you've got $18 for 1,000 views, in order to get 100 times that, you're going to have 100 times the views. So if you have 100,000 views, that's about $1,800 per video using that calculus. So it's not impossible. Some of the more popular channels out there make that kind of money as you're putting out more and more videos to capture people's attention or capture that revenue. You're starting to see it start to tick up. Are you going to get that all at once? Well, you're going to have to ask somebody who actually has gotten a check. Until you see that YouTube plaque on my wall, whenever I get it, I haven't made a dime off of the information that I'm giving you, at least not through YouTube. It's something to keep in mind. It is a passive income generator for those. Some people have quit their jobs, but think about what went into that channel. There's still a lot of work. I try to keep my videos within 5 or 10 minutes. I don't have a production crew. It's just me and a camera and a microphone. And I think that is good enough for me. But if you have any comments, questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I would want to let you guys also know that in this industry particularly, you need to contact and network with people who have done this stuff for a while. I have a resource and a cousin by the name of Mark Black. He is currently looking for some subscribers for his venture. And I'm going to use this time on this video to try to get whoever hears this video to go ahead and hit the link that I'm going to put in the bottom of this video to check out his video. He has an opportunity to get his name out, get his music out, and it won't cost you a dime. All we need from you is a like and a subscribe. I'm going to ask for the same on this channel. Please feel free to drop us a line. We'll talk to you very, very soon.